Welcome back, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing water inventions you've ever seen. Get ready to make a splash with innovation. These futuristic creations are changing the way we explore and enjoy the water. Asiwo U1 V3 full-face snorkel mask offers a game-changing snorkeling experience with its 180-degree panoramic view and ultra-comfortable breathing system. Its patented Flowtech air intake allows up to 600% easier breathing, using dual chambers and 4 intake valves to circulate fresh air and reduce fogging. Designed and tested in the USA, it prioritizes safety, visibility, and fit, with third-party airflow and CO2 testing. The anti-leak, anti-fog design ensures a clear, hassle-free dive every time. Unlike most masks, the V3 offers 3 sizes for a custom fit and includes a swiveling GoPro mount near the chin for smooth underwater filming. The angled snorkel stays above water more easily, giving your head more freedom. With a strong polycarbonate lens and ergonomic buckle closure, it's the perfect gear for anyone serious about exploring underwater in comfort and style. Asiwo U1 underwater scooter is a powerful 1100-watt sea scooter that delivers up to 17 kilograms of thrust, letting you glide underwater at 10 feet per sec or boost your paddleboard at 11 feet per sec. Its 2-in-1 dual mode makes it perfect for both diving and SUP adventures. With 3 speed settings, you can enjoy up to 80 minutes of runtime, depending on your pace. The 36-volt 5.0 Ah lithium battery recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, getting you back in the water fast. Weighing only 13.2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, yet strong enough to handle dives up to 164 feet deep. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or cruising the surface, the Asiwo U1's compact design, intuitive controls, and durable build make it a reliable choice for aquatic fun. It's built for thrill seekers who want maximum power in a compact underwater package. JetCycle Max is a 100% human-powered hydrofoil watercraft that lets you pedal above the water with ease and style. Weighing just 35 kilograms, its 3.4-meter composite hull and dual carbon fiber foils provide lift even at low speeds, requiring only 9 kilometers per hour to take off. With no gears or chain rings, its quick-adjust pedal system is built for smooth, efficient power transfer, while a mini side handle makes steering intuitive. Designed for riders between 1.5 meters and 2 meters tall, it's ideal for both high-performance athletes and casual users. Perfect for calm lakes or light coastal waters, the JetCycle Max offers a stable, silent ride that feels like flying. Whether you're chasing a workout or a peaceful glide, this innovative watercraft delivers a fun, eco-friendly experience with nothing but your own pedal power. CudaJet Underwater Jetpack, a revolutionary diving gadget that lets you glide through water like a human torpedo. This self-powered, all-electric jetpack delivers up to 40 kilograms of thrust, reaching speeds of 3 meters per second. It's lightweight at 13.2 kilograms, compact, and built for freedom underwater. No tethers, no hassle. With up to 90 minutes of runtime and a 75-minute charge time, it's designed for long, uninterrupted underwater exploration. The wired throttle with a color display allows ultra-fine speed control, while the Quick Connect harness system ensures fast setup. It even includes buoyancy support for floating between dives. Although factory limited to 3 meters, it's capable of reaching 40 meters with training. Whether you're a recreational diver or a pro, the CudaJet turns every dive into an unforgettable flight beneath the waves. Searider is a powerful electric watercraft built for high-speed aquatic adventure, offering an adrenaline-pumping experience with its dual electric motors producing 45 horsepower and reaching a top speed of 77 kilometers per hour. It delivers 50 minutes of ride time and charges fully in just 3 hours, making it ideal for both thrill and efficiency. Weighing 33 kilograms without and 65 kilograms with batteries, it ensures agile handling and peak performance on water. The Searider comes in two versions: Searacer for maximum speed and Sea Cruiser for longer rides with 90-minute autonomy and 55 km/h speed. Designed with industry-standard safety features and a user-friendly interface, it's built for both beginners and pros. Its removable, universal battery packs add convenience, while its sporty, futuristic design, shaped by motorsport influence, makes it not just a ride, but a bold statement on water. Propel is a revolutionary 5-in-1 electric watercraft that transforms into an e-sup, e-scooter, scooter with hydrofoil, classic e-foil, or a seated jet cart, all without tools. Its modular design and user-friendly setup allow quick mode changes, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced riders. It's powered by a 50.4-volt, 50Ah smart lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 3 hours of ride time and recharges in just 2 hours. The inflatable V-hull ensures smooth rides, while the enclosed jet drive with a quart nozzle provides efficient and safe propulsion. With a total weight under 90 pounds, it fits into two-wheeled travel bags. Built with marine-grade saltwater-resistant materials and packed with safety features like IP68 waterproofing, auto shut-off, and a magnetic leash, the Propel offers high performance, portability, and unmatched versatility on the water. Foilone Pegasus is a stunning electric hydrofoil boat crafted from carbon fiber, blending the sleek curves of vintage F1 cars with the performance of modern marine tech. Weighing just 200 kilograms with batteries, it's powered by a 14.9 kilowatt electric motor and dual 5 kilowatt-hour swappable batteries from Torqeedo, offering over 2 hours of cruising and a full recharge in under 2 hours. Reaching speeds up to 30 knots, its hydrofoil system lifts the boat above water for a smoother, faster, and nearly silent ride. No wake, no emissions. A custom gear system lets you adjust handling to match water conditions, giving you control like a sports car on water. With elegant, handcrafted design, marine-grade aluminum, and a single-seat cockpit under 5 meters long, Pegasus isn't just a ride, it's a bold statement of future boating. Regent Seaglider is an electric wing and ground effect vehicle designed for fast, sustainable coastal transportation. With a 65 feet wingspan, 15.5 feet height, and the ability to carry 12 passengers or 3,500 pounds of cargo, it travels up to 180 miles at a cruise speed of 180 miles per hour, all while staying just above the water's surface. Operating in 3 modes: floating on its hull, gliding on hydrofoils, and flying in ground effect, it ensures efficient travel with low drag and minimal noise, operating 30 dB quieter than aircraft or helicopters. Its flat-floor interior offers comfort and stunning views, featuring 34 inches of seat pitch and 88 cubic feet of luggage space. The Seaglider leverages existing dock infrastructure, making it a practical solution for coastal cities. With service expected mid-decade, it's set to transform how we travel over water. Seabreacher X is a 2-seat, shark-inspired submersible watercraft powered by a 230 horsepower supercharged Rotax 1500cc engine with optional upgrades up to 325 horsepower for unmatched performance. Its fully vectored thrust system mimics the tail movement of sharks and dolphins, allowing it to dive, roll, and even leap 90 degrees out of the water. With a sleek, aggressive design, the Seabreacher X features a 14-gallon fuel tank, underwater viewports, a tinted canopy, and a custom marine-grade interior with Bluetooth audio. Its smaller control surfaces and high-performance wings make it incredibly agile and responsive. Built for thrill seekers, this 1,450-pound beast offers a one-of-a-kind ride above and below the surface. Whether you're cruising or diving, the Seabreacher turns every moment on the water into a wild, unforgettable experience. DIVR Plus is a groundbreaking virtual reality snorkeling system that turns any pool into a fully immersive digital adventure. Equipped with a waterproof VR headset and enhanced by real-time sensory feedback, such as jets of water, bubbles, and vibrations, DIVR Plus allows users to float weightlessly while exploring stunning 360-degree environments like coral reefs, outer space, or mythical cities like Atlantis. The system's built-in haptic motors and thrust jets simulate underwater movement, delivering a realistic sense of motion and depth. Designed for all ages and skill levels, DIVR Plus provides both individual and group experiences, ensuring safety with guided supervision. This next-level aquatic entertainment merges physical sensation with visual immersion, offering users an unforgettable escape into breathtaking virtual worlds, all while floating in the comfort and safety of a swimming pool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible water inventions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGrid Zone for more amazing tech content. Drop a comment below and let us know which invention blew your mind. Stay tuned for more game-changing innovations coming your way. Until next time, keep riding the wave of the future.